But here we are, ready for today. Every challenge we face as one. Together we shine brighter than the sun. Step by step we climb higher. Every spark fuels a fire. No dream too big, no goal too far. We're unstoppable just as we are.
First, sobrang thank you sa lahat na nandito ngayon. Okay? Sa lahat na nandito ngayon. And before that, dun sa ating organizing committee, you guys are really awesome. Okay, that's the word, awesome. Okay, so for today, sobrang thank you kasi ang dami nating food, di ba? All by ourselves. And then at the same time, thank you kay Boss Kevin, syempre, para sa pag-approve ng ating budget. Okay. And thank you kay Lord kasi binigyan tayo ng magandang araw ngayon. First time, hindi bumabagyo for the last two outing. Okay. So, happy March week. Okay, so guys, just want to thank everyone in terms of your effort. Kitang-kita naman yan sa ating performance dashboard. Hindi ko na ipagyayaman. Okay. Hindi ko na ipagyayaman. Wala kang susubutin ko. Kaya ingat ka dun sa mga kulay-kulay at mga asula. Ingat ka dun. So, guys, kidding aside, it's been a challenging year in quarter for us. Okay, diba? So with that, we do have guests in here. Okay, we do have guests. Si Ate Helen nandyan. Okay. Tapos sila Boss MJ nandyan. Sila Boss Denny parating. Okay. Then, happy din to announce that talagang our newly added team members is really performing well from our GSIT. Guys! Our team is si Noy. Guys, magkakutis na ako kami, diba? Hindi naman mapapagay na yun. Ano yan? Chong, Linis Mystery. Ay, sa bibig ko yun. Kala ko sa mga. Mali pala. Espinol pala yun. Kala ko Listerine. Pero guys, sobrang thank you. Okay? Kasi with all the hardships na meron tayo, this is how we become best team ever. Guys, sa audio. Okay. And this team is really performing to the peak na nakikita natin na it's a well-oiled machine kung masasabi natin. Okay? So, with all of that, guys, hindi yan mangyayari without my co-managers, Paolo and Arjen. Together with our team leads, Boss Arn, saka si Boss JP, sobrang thank you. Okay. Because guys, imagine, you're walking in the dark without something in front of you. Diba? So guys, para sa lahat, I just want this thing to happen. Okay? Be the light to everyone. Be the light to everyone. Kasi, light. Kaya ako sinasabi yun, sa pagpasok natin, sa paglagay nyo, you don't even know your colleague is undergoing something. Diba? Just saying, "Uy, kamusta?" Diba? "Uy, wala ka sa office ah." Tapos, i-change natin ngayon na kailan ka papasok. So, kidding aside, asking your teammate or even your manager, "Boss, kamusta ka?" Diba? Small thing, but it makes a difference. Okay?
Kaya ko yung test yan. Isang taon kinakamusta ko si Javi.
Ano sagot?
Kaya pa raw niya.
Kaya pa niya.
Kinaya niya after 1 year.
Isang scramble dyan. Ayun nga, tutuloy ko lang guys. Don't forget that you have teammates because without them, this won't be a team. Okay? And, katulad ng sinabi ko, maybe narinig ko ng tier 1 last time, but dun sa tier 2 meeting namin, I just asked a question, what's the difference between ordinary and extraordinary? What's the difference between the two? It's just putting an extra. And then you become extraordinary. Diba? So, lagi natin gawin yun. I just want to enjoy tonight. Marami tayong food and tatawagin ko si Tina to pray for it. Tina! Ang sabi ni Gabi?
Kung ngayon daw extra. Ano na kaya ba yung dato?
Together we rise, together we stand, hand in hand, we're reaching the sky. Through every storm, through every fight, our hearts unite, we shine our light. Ideas we share, laughter we bring, lifting each other, and our spirits sing. Every mistake is a lesson learned, every victory a page we've turned. Step by step we climb higher, every spark fuels a fire. No dream too big, no goal too far. We're unstoppable just as we are.
Surprise ka din!
Together we rise, together we stand, hand in hand, we're reaching the sky. Through every storm, through every fight, our hearts unite, we shine our light. When the road gets tough, we don't fall apart. We lift each other with courage in our hearts. Voices in harmony, dreams taking flight. We move forward, chasing the light. Together we rise, together we stand, hand in hand, we're reaching the sky. Through every storm, through every fight, our hearts unite, we shine our light. Together we rise, together we stand, hand in hand, we're reaching the sky. Through every storm, through every fight, our hearts unite, we shine our light. Together we rise, together we team, our stars align. Every step we take, every goal in sight, we move as one. We shine our light.